What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at IQVIA stock. This is the first time I'm updating us on IQVIA. This is the first time I'm recording a video on IQVIA simply because it's one of the most traded stocks this day, not just today. In terms of a particular stock that is high in volume. So given the situation of things right here, we could see that IQVIA has been down for the longest, especially given the fact that we made an all-time high around 1st of December 2021, and we have been majorly been consolidating within that range, but we have been trending towards the downside. We could rally all the way to this resistance, get rejected, dump much lower to to 138. You could see all the way from this major resistance at $285. So you could see we have definitely been consolidating within this range in order for us to break out of this major resistance or downtrend. And you could see we have majorly broken out of this resistance right here. And I think we are mostly going to see IQVIA rally much higher, especially given the fact that you could see that IQVIA is kind of forming some kind of bull flag pattern. To me, I would probably say that this is more likely a bull flag pattern kind of move right here. But that aside, what we need to take note of right here from the weekly is that we have majorly broken out of this resistance right here, especially given the fact that this was mostly, to me, a healthy kind of breakout, because you could see how we massively rallied above this major resistance at $197. We found support around this level, which is also where the weekly 100 and 200 EMA is currently at. You could see we found support around this level, rally to break this major resistance right here between around $232 to $229. So you could see we broke out massively, rallied all the way to this major resistance right here at 247, and you could see it's either we drop all the way down to this level to find support probably tomorrow or for the rest of the week. We find support around here, then we rally, breaking out of 247 or 248 before rallying all the way into our next major resistance, which is $300 at the dot. So given the situation of things right here, in terms of why IQVIA has definitely been rallying, you could see right here with the headlines that IQVIA Holdings Incorporation, which is IQV, Q2 2026 earnings calls highlights. So we could see strong revenue growth, and also one of the things that made it rally this much is no other than obviously companies incorporating AI into whatever they are doing. And given the situation of things, we could see that the total revenue from IQVIA is 4,368 million, up 8.7% on a reported basis and 8.5% at constant currency. We could also see that the commercial, in terms of its commercial solutions revenue, 1,739 million, up 8.6% on a reported basis and 8.4% at constant currency. And based on what we could see, R&D solutions revenue 2,575 million, up 8.8% on reported basis and 8.6% at constant currency. So on and so forth with all these reports right here based on this revenue. So we could see, given the situation of things, its third quarter adjusted EBITDA guidance of $1 billion to 1,020,000,000. I think it's 1,200,000,000. 200,000, growth of 5.4% to 7.5% year over year. And we could see its third quarter adjusted diluted EPS guidance, which is 3.19 to 3.29, growth of 0.3% to 9.7% year over year, which is good. So I think this is just definitely it. Positive points. IQVIA Holdings Incorporation delivered outstanding second quarter results with revenue adjusted EBITDA and adjusted diluted earnings per share all exceeded the high end of guidance. Organic growth accelerated to 6% year over year, 3 times the rate from the previous year, which is very good. R&D Solutions segment showed strong performance with nearly 9% revenue growth and 19% increase in net new bookings year over year. Commercial Solutions segment experienced organic revenue growth of 5% with analytics and consulting growing at the highest rate since 2022. So all this right here are definitely what we need to take note of. You can go make your own research on that. Now, given the situation of things right, I can say worst case scenario right now is seeing IQVIA breaking below this major downtrend which we've broken out of, which is probably going to be acting as our support, because any move below this level will definitely send us all the way down to $197. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting right here. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.